I used to have a hydraulic thumb for my mini excavator, and I did use it a lot. I think it was a great thing to have. Unfortunately, this here, it broke, and then that destroyed the whole hydraulic ram. And it was yeah, you can see it was, the material was too thin, and it didn't last. So now I got this fixed position. Yeah, you can change 3 positions there. Thumb from VEVOR. So it's a Chinesium, but it is very heavy and thick, so I think this will last better or longer. So this part is going on the stick of the excavator, and these two are just attached with these pins here. All the old weld is gone, and it was hard work. I almost used up one entire grinding wheel. When you are grinding, remember to cover all glass areas, and when welding, remember to remove one of the battery poles. I did some testing, and I realized in order to get this to work, I have to lower this bracket so that it actually almost touches this part when the rod is extended. In order to get the geometry correct, I have to make an additional hole here and perhaps even one here. Det blir bra. Unfortunately, I ran out of welding wire. I was gonna put a weld there and I think underneath here, and I was also planning to extend it a bit, but oh well. Let's just try it out. I've been using this thumb now during the autumn and winter, moving shrubberies, stumps and rocks, and it seems to hold up very well. I made a joke about Chinesium in the beginning, but this steel seems to be actually pretty good. There is some wear that you can see from, I think, lifting rocks, but it seems to be pretty good material actually, so I'm very happy with it. It is a bit too short, so if you have a machine like this, 1.8 ton, with this speed adapter or quick hitch, it will be a little bit too short, but you can still use it. If you don't have, like if you have a bucket that sits directly on your stick, then this will probably fit very well from, I guess, around 1 ton to 2 ton, something like that. The price was, I think, 150 euros, which is for me pretty reasonable. I doubt that I could buy material and make this as good myself for that kind of money. What I want to do is I want to lengthen it so that it will fit on my smallest bucket better. And I also want to put a hydraulic rod or ram to this so I can close it myself. Now it just sits in one position, or well, I can adjust some positions here, but this is the most usable one. I really recommend this thumb if you want something cheap to start using, and I think it works very good. Thank you for watching. Bye.